The Cuisinart TOA-70 is a premium toaster oven and air fryer that offers a wide range of cooking options. With its powerful 1800-watt motor, this appliance can handle a variety of cooking tasks. It features an air fry setting as well as toast, convection bake, convection broil, grill, and warming functions. The temperature range is impressive, from warm all the way up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. The Cuisinart TOA-70 can accommodate up to 6 slices of bread for toasting or even air fry up to 3 pounds of chicken wings. It can also bake a 12-inch pizza or roast a 4-pound chicken. The appliance is equipped with an adjustable temperature dial and a 60-minute timer with auto shutoff, ensuring precise cooking results. The toast shade selector allows you to achieve your desired level of browning. Included with the Cuisinart TOA-70 are an oven light, oven rack, baking pan, air fry basket, and grill. The nonstick interior makes cleanup a breeze. With its superior operation and versatile cooking options, this toaster oven and air fryer is a great addition to any kitchen.